It's your turn. Our generation is gone, or going. I can't tell you the number of friends that I came up with that are no longer among us. It's your turn. And the most that we can do is to remind you that it's your turn and to open up opportunities for you, to try to give you some skills, to try to give you confidence and courage, and to try to open up spaces for you. That's what this has been about. The foundations are there. The organizations are there. You can create more organizations. You've got technology that we didn't have. So step up, because we need you. The region needs you. We do this because you are our inspiration. You have given me and Hanan far more than we have given you. But it only works if you carry it forward, if you pass it on, if you do something with the space that we created here, if you do something with the skills and the tools that we've tried to offer you here, insofar as they're useful. Step up.